But after marriage, it will never be the same again. It will never
be the same again.
Before marriage, he'll do anything to please me.
可以吗？力度可以啊，口渴吗？
Thank you. But after marriage, all he does is play mobile games on the sofa.
Before marriage, she was as gentle as a lamb.
老公 how's work today?
Good 啊。
Good ah.
How's your work?
Was it stressful? Stressful for you or not?
But after marriage, she is like a tigress.
Now what time already? Might as well don't come home, right? Before marriage, he promised me that he'll bring me to travel the world.
Yeah. I have a dream. I want to bring you to Paris, right, to see Eiffel Tower. Bring you to Japan to eat sushi. Bring you to Iceland, right? Then we can see Northern Light together.
So sweet.
Of course.
But after marriage, he's only living in his own world. Yeah, shall we go to Sentosa this weekend?
Don't want ah. You see, my whole week working, weekend need to sleep one eh. Before marriage, she will always listen to me. Dear, let's go see leisure, have dinner, then after that we go and watch a movie together.
Can. Anything you say.
But after marriage, everything I have to listen to her. Dear,
Dear what, dear? Have you done the laundry yet? Later go about dinner.
life is just different after marriage.
It will never be the same again.
But then, when we got our first home,
It was a different phase in our lives.
then we submitted our inquiry to Renopedia.
And a few of the interior design firms reached out to us.
Then we found our ideal interior designer.
And we got our dream home.
Thank you, Renopedia. Wow, nowadays Renopedia advertisement very cringy ah.
Aiya, never mind lah, as long as people remember. Renovation 5 Renopedia can liao.
Hey, ask you later are you free? We go see leisure, catch a movie?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.